Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. Now, this is the UB Pro, the black version by Subcase. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case for iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. $19.99 on Amazon Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the case right here. I had it upside down. Let's take it out of the box. This is a pretty protective case. And let's see. So this one does have the built-in screen protector. All right, so let's get this other stuff out of the way and we could take a look at the case. All right. So now with these cases, you're going to separate it from the bottom. See that little gap right there? You're going to pull that apart. And this is a two-part case, so you're going to pull it apart. All right, so you got the case apart. This is the TPU back right here. As you can see, it's rubbery, it's thick. You're gonna have protection for the camera because it's recessed right there. And you got a little kickstand on the back. All right, let me see how you get this kickstand out. So you pull this at the bottom right here, and you can get to the kickstand. There we go, right there. All right, that's a little hard to get out, but you can also stick your finger in the back and use it as a grip to handle the case as well in the phone. All right, so that's pretty helpful. It's got a little, it's plastic inside rubber. This side is a little bit harder plastic because of the kickstand, but otherwise it's pretty soft. Little carbon fiber detail on the back right there. You got a cover for your port and your speakers right there. 5 up and down buttons and a cover for the mute switch. And your power button right there. A little design on the side there, Subcase branding. All right. Now you got a front cover right here. This goes on the front of the case. This is a built-in screen protector right here. You just snap this on the front and you're good to go. All right. Then you got a belt clip right here. And this is 360-degree rotation. Belt clip, pretty strong. Get that out of the way. And I think this can be used as a kickstand, I believe. And so you might be able to set it up like that when you, if you got the case inside, okay? All right, let's go ahead and put this together and put the phone inside. Okay, so we got the iPhone 12 right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. You put this front cover on first. Most of the time when you use these built-in screen protectors, you put this on first, all right? Make sure that's seated onto the device. And then you put this inside, like that. Just put this side in first. And then you begin to push it down inside the case, okay? And you make sure that everything comes over these grooves right here, so it fits inside right there, nice and snug. All right, so nice snug fit right there. It looks pretty good, not too intrusive. Everything is protected. Got your cover right here for your charging port. All of that right there. Buttons covered, and you got a cover for your mute switch right here. Gotta have a fingernail to get that out. It's a little hard there, but otherwise it looks pretty good. And the screen is not flimsy or moving around or anything, so I think that's gonna work pretty well. Camera protected, okay? Now wireless charger, can't test that, but they normally work with these devices. Now here's the kickstand. You can put this inside both ways, and you can actually, I don't think this has a wire inside, but you can use it as a kickstand, I believe. If you turn it this way, it'll set up a little bit, but you got a kickstand on the back of the device, all right? But this is a belt clip here that you can utilize. You put it in to cover get everything covered up. It'll fit either way, okay? Now the case comes in additional colors. You got a red right here. It's nice, nice color. It's kind of like a great red right there. And you have a lavender look right here on this one. Same kind of case, and you got the blue one right here, all right? So different colors right there, all right? They all look great, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.